In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can create a Roblox account in 2021. Okay, so when you go to roblox.com, you'll be on this page, and this is the sign up page. So all you need to do is fill in your birthday, choose a username, choose a password, at least 8 characters, and then optional gender. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So I'll first select my birthday. So I've gone ahead and entered in my birthday. Now I'll go ahead and choose a username to see what's available. And that username is available. I'll go ahead and choose my password, choose my gender real quick, and then I'll click on sign up at the bottom. And just like that, I have a brand new Roblox account. So that is how you create a Roblox account in 2021. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more. Take care.